Welcome to my channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. Today I'm here with you with a makeup look, and this time it is a cobalt blue halo eye. Now it took me a lot of practice before I got to this look, but I was able to achieve. Oh yes, I'm very happy to show you a new technique as to how to achieve an awesome halo eye and the steps to take. Anyway, if you want to see the products I use alongside a new way as to how you can achieve this halo eye, make sure you keep watching. And oh, by the way, I'm gonna give credit to the person who I saw who do this exact look. I'm gonna leave their video in the description box below. But anyway, I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna get to it. Alright, so first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna delve into my Shani Cosmetics palette, and it's been a minute since I've used it, but it's back again. And I'm going to take this black shade right here, and I'm going to take this small eyeshadow brush to carve out around my crease and in my outer third and inner third. I know, I look like a total raccoon, but all of that is going to be out of here. Moving on, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette and not a basic peach. I'm obsessed with this palette every time. And the shade I'm going to take for today is going to be, and this is going to be shade number 10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take yet another small brush, and I'm going to buff out around the edges so it's not as harsh. So it could look something like this, if not neater. Now it's time to cut the crease, but not all the way. Even though, according to her, it may look like I need to cut it all the way, but that is not going to be the case. And it's just going to be the center, and you'll see what I'm going to do with that. So I'm going to take 300 medium with the Rimmel concealer. I'm going to take my normal small brush and then carve out the boundary. So now that my concealer is set and ready to go, I'm going to take the same Wet n Wild Color Icon palette and not your basic peach. I'm going to take number 5, and that is going to act as me setting my concealer. So now I want to blend out the lines for my outer third and my inner third, because that's not the point of a halo eye. So now I'm going to switch gears to my Shani Cosmetics palette. Alright, and I'm going to take this cobalt blue shade. It's really pretty. I'm going to overlay that, but not too much, but a little over towards my outer third and a little towards my inner third. Going back to the same Color Icon palette by Wet n Wild, not your basic peach. I'm going to take number 5. I'm going to take a small amount, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend out these lines so it looks more like this. So there's a gradient transition from one color to the next. And it's going to be light brushes also. Light brushes towards that blue. See? Go back into the same Wet n Wild Color Icon palette and not your basic peach. I'm going to take number 9, and I'm going to blend out that cobalt blue shade and the black shade right in here, so that way there's more of a gradient, and again, there's no harsh lines. And like my previous video, I'm just going to tap it on there. Just going to tap it because then it blends much easier that way. Now before I do anything, because there's a lot of blues and blacks all over, I'm going to wipe away the bake. That's how sharp it is. Anyway, now before I move on to my bottom lash line, I'm going to clean up my brow highlight. For my eyebrow highlight, I'm going to go back into the Wet n Wild Color Icon, not your basic peach palette, and I'm taking shade number 2. Moving on to the bottom lash line. Going back to the same Not Your Basic Peach palette, I'm going to take number 10 and I'm going to run there. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to go in with a black shadow because then it's going to get too crazy. So what I did instead was I took some regular schmegular eyeliner. What I used though is the L'Oreal Paris 16 Hour Infallible Never Fail eyeliner because it never fails. And this is of course in the shade black. It comes with a smudger at the very end, but I'll get to that later. What I'm going to do, first things first, I'm going to run the liner into my waterline. What I'm going to do also in the meantime is I'm going to tightline. I feel like anytime when you're working with black, it's always best to tightline so everything matches. So that was the first step and second step. Third step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smudger that was on here, but you could take any smudging brush that you have in your makeup brush collection and do the same thing. And I'm just going to smudge out that black, but not too. Moving on, I am pretty much finished with my eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply my lashes. And I decided to, I'm going to hold off on my Fluffy Babes for now. And I'm going to move on to my Hudas. Now the Huda beauty lashes that I will be wearing today is Sophia. I feel like they're really pretty and I haven't worn Sophia in a hot minute. So I feel like it's best to bring her back. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply Sophie on both my lids, finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back at you. And before anything, I'm going to show you how Sophia looks if you don't remember. Now that I'm done finished my rest of my face off camera, I'm going to move on to my lips. For the lips, I'm going to start off with lip liner. The lip liner I will be using today is, and pardon how dusty it is, and I just got to, it is the MAC lip liner, and this is in Cork. This is a second favorite. Excuse me. This is a second favorite of mine. I'm just going to outline my lip, but not too much, and I'm going to fill her in. Even looks good too, but I mean the goal is to get like a really light nude, but you know I got to line my lip. But anyway, have Cork. Now the second color that I will be going in with, and this is a lipstick, a matte lipstick. This is something that I haven't delved into in a while, but I'm popping it back out of my makeup collection, and it is the e.l.f. matte lip color, and this is in Nearly Nude. Yeah, I got it right. This is in Nearly Nude. I'm going to show you how this looks on top of the Cork. Alright, so this is how it looks. Nearly Nude. I used to wear this a lot, but then I had to but then I stopped myself so I wouldn't finish too much. Now I'm just going to blend it in. So this is Nearly Nude and Cork combined. This is the second way in which you can wear this lippy in combination of this eye look. So now for my third lippy, and this lippy has discontinued, but you can find a cream sheen similar to this, and this is the MAC and Mariah Carey collection. This is her cream sheen lipstick in Daaahling, because we all are Daahlings, yes. And it is a light, it's almost as like lip gloss, so even if you have a really light lip gloss, that'll be okay as well. I'm just gonna overlay this over the other two things. So in this eye look and this lippy combined, definitely Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below any more makeup looks that you'd like to see, whether it's another halo eye, more blue eye makeup looks, because I'm really starting to get the hang of it and I'm loving it. If you are a new viewer, please click on that subscribe button. When you're finished, click on that subscribe button. Also, click on that bell so that you're notified as to when my videos are out, knowing that I have a lot in the making. Anyway, once you do all that, I'll see you in
oh, my stomach hurts, bro. I feel like I'm about to vomit.
Yo, get out of my room with that.
Y'all feel?
Yes.
Oh, Pumba.
I was laughing. That's major. No, I mean, I'm gonna cut it out.
Oh, I wouldn't get in it, but...
Well, I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to add this as a blooper.
The white piece of ass?
Okay. Well, no, I mean, I'm gonna that.
Can I say the A word real fast just for the video? I'm gonna
find a beep sound and beep it out. So
can I say
I do not promote cursing.
Can I say it? Can I say it, Mom? Hell no, you can't say it. Okay, Mom, leave. Okay, let's go. Mom, we'll get out.
We never know such a film. Come on, guys.
I can cuss when you're not around. I say the A word to Mark all the time.
Mom, you heard that?